What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get back on my wife's Sentra. The spoiler finally came in that I ordered for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that. We'll check it out, see how it's looking, and we'll get it set up and attached. And then we're also gonna go ahead and take care of these corner pieces that I've mentioned in the previous video. Right there on each side. The car looks super clean on the body other than that, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. So let's go ahead and get into it. We also have some double-sided tape. Oh wow, this looks really good. It's painted gloss black already. I'm sure you could tell on camera. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and do a quick fitment test. Oh, wow. Actually fits really nice. Definitely looks good. So let's go ahead and put this tape on there and get this thing put on. Tape feels pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use it. What I'm doing at the ends is I'm just gonna cut them a little bit long, and I'll do a final trim once I'm finished. There's one. Let's test fit it one more time before we go ahead and start sticking. Take some of the tape off. We're gonna take off the corner. I guess I almost forgot to wipe the trunk down with some alcohol, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit that up real quick just to help the adhesion. I washed the car this morning, but just in case there's anything left on the trunk, we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that. On the spoiler, you see I peeled the ends off, so that way when I put it on the car I could grab the little tails and pull it to fully uncover the tape and stick it down. So we're gonna go ahead. Top first. While I'm pulling it, I'm going to press down. Damn, that looks really good. Perfect fitment. Alright, spoiler's done. I'll let that sit in the heat. Let's move on to the little PPF pieces on the side. Alright, to remove the PPF pieces, I'm going to be using a steamer. So I'm going to go ahead and let it heat up, and then we can go ahead and see if we can get these things off. Alright guys, camera overheated, but I got most of it off. I'm going to go ahead and try some goof off right now. If that doesn't get the rest of it off, I'm going to try steaming it one more time, and then we'll use some goof off again. Alright guys, cameras keep overheating, but here is the passenger side, all wrapped up. Use the combination of the steam with a small scraper and some goof off gel. Some good old-fashioned elbow grease, and we're able to clean this thing out. It looks so much better now. Let's move on to the other side. Alright guys, well the Sentra is all wrapped up. Spoilers on. PPF pieces are removed. I'll give you guys a little side profile here. Without the PPF, looks so much better. Sorry for the gaps in footage. We're in Florida, so my camera keeps overheating. So I'm recording little bits and pieces as I can, but this was a nice, fun little quick project, all wrapped up. Alright guys, well that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please like, share, and consider subscribing if you want to stay tuned with the future projects I have coming up. With that being said though, I'll see you guys in the next one.